Okay, the question asks you to estimate this limit using a graph. So just a visual, if you have a graphing tool, just a visual guess. So I use a graphing device to graph this function right here. Okay, and I get this. So as x approaches 0, you can see right there, it's approaching approximately, between 0.6 and maybe 0.7. Okay, that's 1, right? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can guess. If you have a nice graphing device, if you put your arrow there, it'll give you a more accurate value. Okay, so part B is just asking you, instead of graphically, plug in a value, like for example 0.01. That'll give you a good approximation of what that limit is approaching. If you want to make it more accurate, plug in 0.0, even smaller, right? Something even closer to 0, and that'll give you a more accurate estimate of the limit. Okay, so this is a limit that we can do it algebraically. So part C tells you to actually find it algebraically, and you multiply top and bottom by the conjugate pair, like this, and the bottom becomes, if you multiply by the conjugate pair, you get 1 plus 3x minus 1. So that cancels out, and the x gets reduced. So we have 1 plus 3x plus 1 all over 3. So now replace the x with 0, and you get root 1 plus 1 over 3. So actually the accurate value is 2 over 3, right, which is 0.66666, and so on. So my guess looking at this graph was pretty good.